What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I will telling about 5 euro cent of coin from Germany 2001. The 5 euro cent coin minted in 2001 represents more than just a small unit of currency. It is a tangible piece of history. This modest copper-plated steel coin carries with it the legacy of a monumental economic experiment, the launch of the euro. Introduced as part of the Eurozone's collective monetary system, the 5-cent coin is one of the smallest denominations in the Euro series, yet it plays a vital role in everyday commerce and symbolizes the unity of Europe. In the script, we will explore the historical background, design, production, and cultural relevance of the 2001 5 euro cent coin. We will also examine the economic and political significance of its introduction and how it fits into the broader narrative of European integration. The birth of the euro and the road to the 5-cent coin, the vision of a unified Europe. After World War II, European leaders began exploring ways to foster peace and economic cooperation across the continent. The idea of a shared economy was first realized through the European Coal and Steel Community ECSC and later the European Economic Community EEC. By the 1990s, the vision expanded to include a single European currency, aiming to enhance economic stability and integration. The Maastricht Treaty and the Euro. The Maastricht Treaty, signed in 1992, laid the foundation for the Economic and Monetary Union (EMU). This pivotal agreement paved the way for the euro to become the official currency of participating European Union (EU) member states. The euro was introduced to the world financial system as a virtual currency on January 1, 1999, used for accounting and electronic payments. However, physical coins and banknotes only entered circulation on January 1, 2002. To ensure smooth distribution and transition, coins like the 5 euro cent were minted and dated in advance, including the 2001 edition. The 5 euro cent coin specifications and design. Physical characteristics. The 5 euro cent coin is a small denomination of the euro series and carries the following standard specifications. Material: copper covered, steel also known as copper-plated steel. Weight: 3.92 grams. Diameter: 21.25 mm. Thickness: 1.67 mm. Edge: smooth with a groove. Its composition and durability make it resistant to wear and ideal for circulation in busy commercial environments. Common reverse design. The reverse side of the 5-cent coin was designed by Luc Louix, a Belgian artist. His initials, AL, can be found near the bottom right of the design. The reverse features a globe, highlighting Europe in relation to Africa and Asia. 6 horizontal lines cutting through the globe, symbolizing stability and communication. 12 stars arranged around the perimeter, representing the original EU member states. The denomination, 5 euro cent, clearly displayed. The side is common across all Eurozone countries, reinforcing the sense of unity within the EU. National obverse designs. Each country within the Eurozone is allowed to create a unique obverse front design for its euro coins. While the reverse side remains consistent, the obverse reflects national heritage and identity. In 2001, euro cent coins were minted by multiple EU nations in preparation for the 2002 circulation launch. Here are a few examples of national designs on the 5 euro cent coin. Features an oak twig, representing strength and longevity. Shows Marianne, a national symbol of liberty in the French Republic. Depicts the Colosseum, symbolizing Roman heritage. Bears the portrait of King Juan Carlos I. Displays an alpine flower, the primrose, representing nature and vitality. Each design is encircled by the 12 stars of the European Union. The mint year 2001 and sometimes the mint mark mintage and circulation in 2001. Pre-euro circulation minting. Although euro coins were not physically introduced until 2002, production began much earlier. Coins dated 2001 were extensively minted across the Eurozone to ensure a seamless transition. Most member states produced millions of coins, including the 5 cent, to distribute them before the official launch. These coins were included in starter kits, small pouches of euro coins that citizens could use to familiarize themselves with the new currency. Participating nations. The countries that produced the 5 euro cent coin in 2001 include Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany. Greece joined later but minted in time for 2002. Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg shared mints with other countries. Netherlands, Portugal, Spain. Each nation had its own minting facility, such as the Mini de Paris in France or the Berlin Mint in Germany. Symbolism and functionality. Everyday use. Despite being a low denomination, the 5 euro cent coin plays a critical role in retail and daily transactions, particularly for making small purchases such as newspapers, snacks, or parking meters. Providing change for larger denominations. Being included in vending machine pricing, its widespread use highlights the importance of smaller coinage in maintaining price flexibility. Economic symbolism: the 5-cent coin may be small in value, but it carries heavy symbolic meaning. It is a physical representation of European integration, a testament to collaboration, with consistent specifications despite national design differences, a sign of monetary unity, reinforcing the strength of the euro system. In this way, the coin acts as both a medium of exchange and a political statement. Public reception and transition challenges, education and awareness. Before the official launch in 2002, public education campaigns were launched across Europe. These efforts focused on teaching citizens how to recognize the new coins, demonstrating their equivalence in national currencies, reducing confusion during the initial exchange period. Starter kits helped make this transition smoother. Dual pricing period: from January to February 2002, most member states operated under a dual pricing system, where prices were displayed in both the national currency and the euro. This helped consumers adjust and gave them time to become accustomed to the new system. Collectability and rarity of the 2001 5-cent coin. Circulation and value: most 2001 5-cent coins were mass-produced, meaning they are not particularly rare. However, they are important to euro collectors, especially those seeking complete sets from each country. Value in circulation: usually 5 euro cents. Value in mint condition uncirculated may range between 0.10 to 1.00 EUR, depending on country and condition. Some countries issued proof or beau brilliant uncirculated sets in 2001, which are more valuable to collector. Variants and mint marks: collectors may look for differences such as mint marks, e.g., F for Stuttgart, D for Munich. Errors, like misaligned designs or double strikes, which can significantly raise the value. Environmental and economic considerations. Cost of minting: there has been periodic debate over the cost-effectiveness of low-denomination coins like the 1 and 2 cent, and even the 5-cent coin. It costs nearly as much or sometimes more than their face value to produce these coins. Several Eurozone countries, including Finland and the Netherlands, have adopted rounding rules, where final prices are rounded to the nearest 5 cents to reduce dependency on smaller coins. With the growing emphasis on environmental sustainability, questions about the environmental impact of minting millions or value coins have been raised. Steel and copper extraction involve environmental concerns. Several studies have looked into alternative alloys or even phasing out certain denominations. The legacy of the 2001 5 euro cent coin. Though it might seem like a simple coin, the 2001 5 euro cent carries the legacy of an unprecedented monetary unification in modern history. It represents the realization of a dream to unify Europe economically, the technical coordination of multiple nations to produce standardized currency, a shared future, symbolized in copper and steel. As such, it's more than just a piece of metal, it's a monument to collaboration, ambition, and unity. The 2001 5 euro cent coin is a key artifact in the story of the euro's creation. Today, they remain in circulation as everyday items, yet they also stand as reminders of a transformative period in Europe's evolution. The 5 euro cent coin, though small in denomination and size, represents a significant part of the modern European currency system. Introduced as part of the euro currency rollout, the 5-cent coin has become a common and recognizable piece in the Eurozone. The year 2001 is particularly interesting, as it marks a pivotal moment in the transition from legacy national currencies to the unified euro. This script will explore the 5 euro cent coin from 2001 in depth, its origin, design details, composition, minting history, usage, and current collector value. Background of the euro: the euro was created to promote financial unity and economic stability within the European Union (EU). On January 1, 1999, the euro was launched as a digital currency for banking and electronic payments in 11 EU countries. Physical euro banknotes and coins, including the 5-cent piece, were introduced into circulation on January 1, 2002. However, coins dated 2001 were minted before the official release to ensure availability at launch. These coins, including the 5 euro cent from 2001, are often considered part of the pre-issue production batch. Design features of the 5 euro cent coin: all euro coins have a common reverse design and a national obverse design, allowing each member state to display its cultural identity. Reverse design: common side. Designer: Luc Louix, a Belgian artist. Image: the reverse of the 5-cent coin features a globe showing Europe in relation to Africa and Asia. Lines and stars: 6 straight lines and 12 stars surround the globe, symbolizing the unity and outreach. Denomination: the number 5 is prominently displayed along with the words Eurocent. Details: Fine horizontal lines create a texture that adds depth to the coin's background. The side is the same on all 5-cent coins across Eurozone countries. Obverse design. National side. The obverse varies depending on the issuing country. Some of the countries that issued 2001 dated 5-cent coins include Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Belgium, Austria, Finland, Netherlands, Ireland, Luxembourg, Portugal. Each country's design reflects its national identity. For example, Germany, oak twig symbol of stability and unity. France, Marianne liberty and revolution. Italy, the Colosseum. Ireland, Celtic harp. Each design also includes the 12 stars of the European Union, the year of minting 2001 and sometimes the issuing country's name or initials. Physical characteristics. Value, 0.05 euros 5 euro cents. Diameter, 21.25 mm. Thickness, 1.67 mm. Weight, 3.92 grams. Edge, smooth with a fine groove. Color, reddish-brown. Material, copper-plated steel, giving the coin its distinctive copper hue. This composition was chosen for durability, corrosion resistance, and to keep production costs low. Minting and circulation. Though physical euro coins entered circulation in 2002, billions of euro coins were minted before then to prepare for the transition. This includes the 2001 5-cent coins. Each country minted its coins at national mints. Germany, 5 mints A, D, F, G, J. France, Moneda de Paris. Italy, Istituto Poligrafico e Zecca dello Stato. Spain, Royal Mint of Spain. Netherlands, Royal Dutch Mint. Belgium, Royal Mint of Belgium. Coins minted in 2001 were distributed widely and were stored until their official release on January 1, 2002. Role in daily transactions. Though small in value, the 5-cent coin is still used frequently across the Eurozone, particularly in countries where cash transactions are common. It is often used for giving change in stores, vending machines, public transport, tipping small amounts. However, some countries like Finland and the Netherlands have gradually phased out the use of 1 and 2-cent coins through rounding rules, though 5-cent coins are still accepted. Collectability and numismatic value. Despite its high mintage, the 5-cent coin from 2001 can hold interest for collectors, especially those focusing on Euro starter sets issued before 2002. Complete Euro coin collections, proof sets or special editions, circulated Vs and circulated coins. Circulated coins, typically worth face value 5 cents. Uncirculated coins UNC, around 10 cents to 50 cents depending on the country and condition. Proof coins, may be worth 1 euro to 3 euros or more if in official packaging. Rare editions. Some countries issued proof sets in 2001 for collectors, which include higher quality strikes and special packaging. These can be more valuable. Market trends and value in 2025. As of 2025, the 5 euro cent coin dated 2001 holds minimal premium in the collector's market unless it is in pristine condition or higher. Part of a complete euro coin collection, a proof edition or mint set. Example, approximate values as of mid-2025. Condition. Common countries e.g., Germany, France. Scarcer countries e.g., Luxembourg. Circulated 5 cent minus 10 cents. Uncirculated 10 cent minus 0 euro 30 cent 0.50 minus 1 euro. Proof 1 euro minus 3 euro 0 cent 3.00 minus 5 euros. Prices may vary on platforms like eBay, Delcamp, and numismatic auctions. Counterfeiting and authentication. Due to its low value, 5-cent coins are rarely counterfeited. However, collectors should be cautious when purchasing proof coins, especially online. Key signs of authenticity: sharp strike and detailed engraving, uniform color and luster, original mint packaging for proof coins. Though dated 2001, these coins did not enter public hands until 2002. The fine groove along the edge distinguishes it from other euro coins by touch, aiding the visually impaired. Magnetic properties: because it's steel-based, it is magnetic, unlike older copper coins from national currencies. Here's a brief overview of a few 2001 5-cent euro coins by country. Germany 2001 A, D, F, G, J. Each mint has a different letter. Very high mintage, easy to find. Collectors often seek all 5 mint marks. France 2001. Features Marianne, a symbol of French liberty. Common in circulation, minimal collector premium. Italy 2001 Colosseum on reverse, representing Italy's rich ancient heritage, popular for its iconic design. Luxembourg 2001. Relatively low mintage. Harder to find, slightly more valuable in UNC condition. Educational and economic role. Coins like the 5 euro cent are often used in educational settings to teach basic arithmetic, currency exchange, EU history and integration. they also reflect economic trends. The gradual decline in small coin use in northern countries suggests an ongoing shift toward digital payments and price rounding, while southern and eastern countries still rely heavily on physical currency. Environmental and economic considerations. Due to their low value and production cost, many argue that the 1 and 2 cent coins and sometimes even the 5 cent are inefficient. Part of a complete euro coin collection, a proof edition or mint set example, approximate values as of mid-2025. Condition common countries e.g., Germany, France. Scarcer countries e.g., Luxembourg. Circulated 5 cent minus 10 cents uncirculated 10 cent minus 0 euro 30 cent 0.50 minus 1 euro proof 1 euro minus 3 euro 0 cent 3.00 minus 5 euros. Prices may vary on platforms like eBay, Delcamp, and numismatic auctions. Counterfeiting and authentication. Due to its low value, 5 cent coins are rarely counterfeited. However, collectors should be cautious when purchasing proof coins, especially online. Key signs of authenticity: sharp strike and detailed engraving, uniform color and luster, original mint packaging for proof coins. Though dated 2001, these coins did not enter public hands until 2002. The fine groove along the edge distinguishes it from other euro coins by touch, aiding the visually impaired. Magnetic properties: because it's steel-based, it is magnetic, unlike older copper coins from national currencies. Here's a brief overview of a few 2001 5 cent euro coins by country. Germany 2001 A, D, F, G, J. Each mint has a different letter. Very high mintage, easy to find. Collectors often seek all 5 mint marks. France 2001. Features Marianne, a symbol of French liberty. Common in circulation, minimal collector premium. Italy 2001 Colosseum on reverse, representing Italy's rich ancient heritage, popular for its iconic design. Luxembourg 2001. Relatively low mintage. Harder to find, slightly more valuable in UNC condition. Educational and economic role. Coins like the 5 euro cent are often used in educational settings to teach basic arithmetic, currency exchange, EU history and integration. They also reflect economic trends. The gradual decline in small coin use in northern countries suggests an ongoing shift toward digital payments and price rounding, while southern and eastern countries still rely heavily on physical currency. Environmental and economic considerations. Due to their low value and production cost, many argue that the 1 and 2 cent coins and sometimes even the 5 cent are inefficient. However, the 5 cent coin remains in use due to its utility in pricing, e.g., 95 cents. Psychological pricing strategies. Public resistance to price rounding in some countries. Recycling programs and efficient metal sourcing have reduced the environmental impact of minting these coins. The 5 euro cent coin from 2001 is a small but significant symbol of European unity and economic integration. While not rare or highly valuable, it holds historical importance as part of the first batch of euro coins issued before the official launch. With its distinctive design, practical role in daily transactions, and modest collector interest, the 5 cent euro coin remains an enduring fixture of the European monetary. The 5 euro cent coin from the 2001 series is more than just a piece of copper-plated steel. It is a representation of economic integration, cultural heritage, and a new era for Europe. As part of the euro currency introduced in the early 2000s, the 5 cent coin was minted and circulated across the Eurozone, which includes countries that adopted the euro as their official currency. The 2001 issue of this coin reflects the vision of a united Europe and remains a common yet historically significant piece of modern coinage. Introduction to the euro currency. The euro introduced in 1999 for electronic transactions and 2002 for physical currency, marked a revolutionary milestone in Europe's economic history. The introduction of euro coins and banknotes replaced many national currencies such as the French franc, German mark, Italian lira, and others. Among the new denominations, the 5 euro cent coin was designed to facilitate smaller transactions while bearing common European identity. The 2001 series of the 5 euro cent coin was minted in preparation for the full physical introduction of the euro in 2002. This made 2001 a crucial year in euro coin production, as billions of coins were struck by participating member states to ensure a smooth currency transition. Design of the 5 euro cent coin. The 5 euro cent coin features a common reverse side and a country-specific obverse side. Reverse side common to all Eurozone countries. The reverse design of the 5 cent coin was created by Luc Louix, a Belgian designer. It features a globe showing the European Union as part of the world. Behind the globe are 6 parallel lines with 12 stars, symbolizing unity among the EU member states. Other elements on the reverse include the denomination, 5 euro cent, written in large type. The globe includes Europe connected to parts of Africa and Asia, highlighting Europe's place in a global context. The sign is standard across all Eurozone nations and helps reinforce the shared economic identity of the Union. Obverse side varies by country. Each country that mints euro coins is allowed to feature its own national design on the obverse side. In 2001, the euro was adopted by the initial 12 countries: Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Portugal, Spain. Each of these countries issued their own 5-cent coins with unique symbols, reflecting their culture and heritage. For example, France features a young female figure symbolizing the Republic. Germany shows an oak twig representing strength and unity. Italy features the Colosseum, a symbol of Roman civilization. Ireland includes the Celtic harp, a traditional national symbol. Spain uses an image of Miguel de Cervantes, the iconic writer. Each design includes 12 stars for the EU.